Hold it like
There's not
this.
that many strong branches for this to grow.
No, you want mommy to do it?
Dad, I can't find a
It goes
very
on
good
next.
place for this to go. Because I need a really strong branch.
Show me where. Where does it go?
Oh, there.
This one right here.
Thanks, Amelia.
Okay, where does this one go? Show me where. Where should I put it? That is a red one. Where does this one go? Where does this one go? Lucy, where does it go? Can you show me? It goes right there, next to the other blue one. Oh, up here. Okay, that's a good idea. Right there.
Very nice, Lucy. The two can keep each other company all winter.
You want to put one up, Amelia? Where does it go? Show me where to put it. It goes right here? No, where does it go?
You looking for more things?
Where does it go? You hung it! Let's put it back. Right there. That's where Amelia put it.
All right.
Okay, where else?
Could be.
Up here?
You're fine.
Like right there? Okay, where? Show me where. Up here next to the other red one? Okay, like that? Perfect. This one goes right there? How about right here? Okay, last one. Where does it go? It goes right next to the blue one? Okay. There you go, all done. Okay, let's take a picture of the side of the tree that Lucy decorated.